People say every time I post a video, people think that I'm using a filter, or they say that I'm from another planet, calling me names, I was born like this from a very young age. Well, in my neighborhood, around quiet, like they're used to me, so it's kind of okay with them, But going to a new place, it's kind of difficult because people stay, they ask questions,
My sister, how are you?
I'm good, thanks, and yourself?
I'm fine. People are looking at us talking on camera, on their phones, on TV, and they're asking themselves, who is this lady? What would you say to them?
I would say that my name is Akhona, and I'm a 19-year-old girl who's on TikTok.
Okay.
Who gets mostly mean comments all the time, and sometimes thinks of giving up.
So you sometimes think of giving up?
Yes.
Why do you think of giving up?
Because all of the mean comments, people say every time I post a video, people think that I'm using a filter, or they say that I'm from another planet, calling me names,
Let's talk about the condition that you have. What happened? Let's start from the beginning in terms of where it started. What happened?
I was born like this from a very young age, and it's called neurofibromatosis.
Okay. Yeah. Were you born with it, or maybe at some point you were diagnosed with it?
I was born with it.
So you said you're from where? You're from Soweto?
Yes.
So growing up, how was it like with the condition that you have?
Growing up, it was actually, in my neighborhood, around quiet, like they're used to me, so it's kind of okay with them, But going to a new place, it's kind of difficult because people stay, they ask questions,
I can see now you're 19 years old. I mean, I'm sure when you are 6 years, 5 years, was it a little bit, I don't know, should I call it better?
Yeah, it wasn't like this. Every time I grow up, it also grows. And it requires for me to go to operations.
So you have to go to operation maybe after 1 or 2 years?
Yes.
So they have to decrease some muscles. Okay. Is it costly?
No.
Is it for free? So you do it at the government hospital?
I actually do it here by signing here.
Oh, is it? Yes. By Netcare?
Yes.
Yeah. Did you finish your matric or are you still in high school?
Actually, I'm in a special school where I work with hands.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So your eye is closed from this side?
Yes, I don't have an eye on that side.
On this side?
Yeah, they took it out on my operation.
They took it out. So now you're left with one eye?
Yes.
I'm just trying to understand that, when you are thinking of giving up, is it because of you feel like you don't look like other people?
Most of the time, yes.
Ish. So who are these people that are making these comments about you?
I don't really follow their names, They're just people from outside trying to put me down.
Okay, so when did you start having to do the special school?
Last year.
Last year. But before that, you were actually going to a normal primary school and high school?
Yes.
Tell me about your primary school. How was it like going to primary school with the condition that you have?
It was kind of difficult because I was also bullied. Yeah.
That's cool. So that literally sort of decreased or killed your confidence?
Yes.
Did you have any confidence at all?
No.
So you were always sitting at the corner?
Yes.
So what were the teachers saying when they look at you? Were they not comforting you, maybe finding a way to give you maybe extra classes because of, other kids, maybe they couldn't, I don't know, they were making fun of you?
No, man.
So you finished your primary, then you went to high school.
Yes.
Was it not difficult for you?
No, it wasn't, because I also went to a school for physically challenged people.
Yeah.
So it wasn't that difficult then.
So you went to high school and it wasn't tricky?
No, not really.
So people knew about the condition?
Yes.
Yeah, but I'm sure, there are those ones that would, make fun of you, and, you know how these kids can be, So how about now? Do you have any confidence?
I have a little bit of confidence, because I also want to make a YouTube for myself.
You want to make a YouTube channel?
Yes.
I'll help you with the YouTube channel. I can help you so that you can tell your story. You're not, as I was saying before we started to shoot, that there's a guy I think he stays in the US. He has the similar, condition. They also created some sort of like an artificial eye for himself. He has so much confidence. For the longest time, he didn't have confidence because of the condition similar to yours. So if you want to do a YouTube channel, I can help you to do a YouTube channel so that you can tell your story out there. It doesn't matter what people say.
It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter what people say.
It shouldn't matter.
It shouldn't matter. I mean, it's not like you're the only person who's like this.
Yeah, I also have a friend who has the same condition with me. But
Is it?
I think she's from Zimbabwe or something like that.
She stays in Soweto?
No. She's from the other countries.
Oh, okay. So you guys meet at special school?
No, I met her on TikTok too.
Is it?
Yeah.
Can I see her?
This is her number, but I can't find her handle.
Oh, okay. Oh, this is her, no?
No.
Oh, okay.
That's not her. That's another person.
Another person. Or that she sent you.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. So tell me, is it difficult for you to maybe go to the mall or in public places?
Sometimes it is.
Sometimes it's not.
Yeah, sometimes it's not, yeah.
So people maybe look at you in a way,
Yeah, they like, Bachigangami.
Yeah. So when you're passing through, maybe you're going to a shop with your mom, and then they just look at you and you hear them speaking.
Most of them, they'll be like, Mawa, police, and they'll be like, come and pray for me, and.
Yeah. But I think some people, they actually show you love, don't you think?
Most of them, yeah, I do.
Yeah, I mean, showing you love is not everybody who's gonna come bully you.
Mm.
You know what I mean? I would say that you're not the only person with this condition. Number one.
There are many people out there.
Yeah, there are many people out there. Number two, I don't think you are different from any ordinary person. You know why? Because of your life.
Yeah.
It's not because of how you look. It's really not because of how you look. Even though maybe you lost one eye, there's a lot of people out there who lost one eye or both of them.
Yeah.
There are people that they lost both eyes and they can play piano. You know what I'm saying?
They should have confidence.
Yeah. So even if with this condition, it doesn't really matter.
No.
Yes, people are going to talk because of that's how
the world works.
Yeah, that's how the world says this is how a normal person should look. Even though maybe at some point, maybe things will change, and medical, professions will find a way to make things right. But I would say that you shouldn't look at yourself different from other people. Because for me, the most important thing when I look at you is you being alive. The fact that you're alive and your heart is beating, that's the most important thing.
Yeah, it is.
I mean, like, you can see me, you came to an interview, you know what I mean? You are able to walk.
I'm able to speak.
You understand? You're able to speak as well, And I know that confidence will be something that you need to build. I myself, I never had confidence at some point because I was concerned of how people perceive me. Because I felt like I was too skinny. Whereas my dad was skinny himself. Do you understand? So I needed to build my confidence and tell people. People even used to diss me with my nose, for example. They said I had an English nose, but I never cared.
Nah. Maybe those people, I think people like them who bully other people, they're too insecure themselves.
100%.
Yeah.
100%. I totally agree with you. So I needed to build confidence and tell myself that those people, they're not buying bread for me. Those people, they didn't give back to me.
They don't buy you clothes.
They don't buy anything.
Yeah.
As long as the person behind me, which is your mom, is the one giving you the support, that's what matters.
It's very important, yes.
So what the person says, come to think of it, people on social media, they attack me. They say I'm not good enough on their comments. I don't know how to interview people, but I don't care.
Nah, they're just too insecure.
Yeah, I'm being myself. If I need to be better, I'll become better at my own time. I'm running my own race.
Someday.
Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So even your life is totally different compared to their life. They need to, somebody told me this. The Lord told me this, actually, that when you point a finger at somebody, 3 fingers are pointing at you.
Yeah, I also heard this quote that says, you should treat people the way you want to be treated, otherwise the actions have a way coming back to you. So, yeah.
So when you speak to your doctors, are there any chances of them fixing your face?
Recently, I think last year or somewhere this year, I can't remember clearly. I went for a checkup.
Yeah.
And I'm going back again on May.
Yeah.
To hear what the doctors are gonna say again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When growing up, what did you want it to be when you grew up?
I wanted to be a lot of things,
Is it?
Yeah.
Or what is one thing? Name 2 things at least, if not 3.
Okay. First one was to be a doctor.
Okay.
The second one is to be a businesswoman.
Wow.
Or a chef.
Yeah, or a chef. So do you know how to cook now? Is it?
Yeah.
Oh man, I need to come at least, Nyana, just for one day, you could have actually came with some of your food, eh?
I didn't cook actually today.
Is it? There's one thing that you wanted to do. You said you wanted to be a YouTuber.
Yes.
So you want to do YouTube as well?
Yes.
Why do you want to do YouTube? You want to tell your story out there?
Yeah, I want to tell my story. Maybe I can help other kids to have confidence, to boost them, to show them that it's not the end of the world. You can still make it. You can do anything you want to do as long as you believe in it.
Yeah. I really think, and I would say that it's important for you to build more confidence. And because of you want to go out there and inspire other kids, you must have enough confidence so that you can stand in front of them and tell them.
Yes.
You understand what you went through. You understand? And you would give them so much faith and hope that everything is going to be okay. It doesn't matter what other people say.
It doesn't matter. It shouldn't matter.
Yeah, I mean, like I said, these people, they don't buy bread for you. You know what I mean? They didn't give birth to you. Today, most who are like, your mom is gonna cook or you gonna cook. They're not there in your home.
They're not there.
Do you understand? So I wanted to say that don't worry about the people coming for you on social media and all that. People are different. There will always be people like that. You are not money that everybody likes you. Like I said, I myself, when you look at me like this, people attack me. You know, but I don't care. People attack some of my guests that are on that chair. You know, but I always say that never care.
Yeah, maybe they don't have confidence enough. That's why they bully others to destroy their confidence to become like them.
You're actually right, because some of the people that bully other people, they don't have confidence themselves.
Yeah, they're too insecure, man.
Insecurities, ne?
They're just too insecure. Yeah.
So in Soweto, do you have any friends there? Because you said you have a friend on TikTok.
Yeah, I do. A lot.
How many?
I do a lot. Eh?
They're a lot, ne?
Yeah.
So they play around with you guys, but I don't know if maybe you're allowed to go around, yeah. No? You only play around like in the same street, ne?
Yeah, I do go out actually.
Is it?
Yeah.
I'm sure they stand up for you, ne?
Yeah.
If somebody tries to bully you.
They do.
Shout out to your friends, man.
Yeah, shout out to them.
Yeah, shout out to them. Yo, I can imagine how crazy they come out, you know, to stand up for you. When somebody tries to bully you, tell them.
Yeah, we stand up for one another.
Is it?
Yeah.
Now where you stand, because I saw your TikTok videos. Hey, you have confidence. I don't know why you're saying that. Sometimes you don't have confidence.
Sometimes I don't. Sometimes I do.
Yeah. Yeah, I think as time goes on, you'll have more confidence.
Yeah, I think I'll also gain more confidence, you know. And maybe let go of the fear.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you think the fear is the one that's
holding
you
back?
back?
Yes.
Yeah. God loves you.
Yeah, I love him too.
And he never gave you the spirit of fear.
Maybe.
He gave you the spirit of love, self-control.
Gave me everything.
You understand? So you don't need other people, especially the ones that are... You need people, yes, like doctors and other people like myself who can push the story out there, but you don't need the ones that are going to try to speak bad about you or bully you. Do you know what I mean? So I would say that God loves you a lot, and you shouldn't give up. And like I said, you giving up would be wasting the life that God gave you.
Yeah, it would.
You know, so you being alive is the most important thing. Yeah. Do you pray sometimes?
I pray every day.
Is it? What's that one thing that you pray for?
For everything, for my dream to come true. Yeah.
Pray for peace.
Peace and love.
Yeah. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your time. Any last words that you want to say? I don't know.
I'll say to those people out there, if you don't have confidence, have faith in yourself, believe in yourself. You can do anything you want as long as you believe in it. Yeah. Thank
you so much. I appreciate your time.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah.